Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karanina and this space is all about mindful living, general well-being and healthy food. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make nut milk. Okay, so just go ahead and put the nuts that you want to use. In this case I decided to use cashews, and put some water as well as some dates if you are using. Now put this in the fridge, and the next day make sure that you drain them and get some clean water, because now you put them in the blender with the dates and the clean water and you blitz them all up. Now get a fine sieve or a nut bag if you have one and pass it through it. Make sure that you save some of those nut bits so that you can use in other recipes like porridge or pancakes. And here it is, into the fridge until it's ready to be used. Alternatively, if you're running out of time, you can always put some water to boil, and in a clean bowl just put the nuts that you're going to use. In this case I decided to do almond milk, so I put 1/4 cup. And now you're gonna cover it with the boiling water and let them sit there for about 10 minutes or as long as you can. Once they are done, drain them, get some clean water and into the blender alongside with the dates if you're using. Once it's all blended nicely, we are going to do the same process. Get a nice clean glass bottle and a funnel if you need one, as well as the nut bag or a sieve. And here it is, lovely milk. So as you can see, there's really not much to it. You can just pretty much choose the nut that you want to use. I have done this with cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts, and it comes out looking and tasting great, just like it does at the shop. If you want it to be a little bit more sugary, then you can vary the amount of sugar or syrup, perhaps honey if you want, or in this case dates. I normally tend to put 2 per about a pint of milk, and that seems to work fine for me. You can just vary this according to your taste. I hope that you like this recipe, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up as it really helps me, and consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos and so that you can form part of this lovely new community. Until my next video, I'm Karanina. Stay strong, healthy and happy.